Okay, listen close because I am about to tell you a secret. A secret so huge, it feels like a cheat code for life. What if I told you the fastest way to build a giant treasure chest of money was to be the laziest person you know? That's right. Welcome to the completely bonkers, upside-down world of the lazy millionaire.
I know, it sounds absolutely nuts, but it's true. Every hero you've ever had, they all told you the same thing. Work harder, never quit, sweat is everything. And you know what? In the normal world, they were 100% right. But we're not in the normal world. We're stepping through a secret portal into a twisted mirror dimension where everything is backwards. In this secret world, all the rules are flipped upside down. All that running around, all that panicking, all that hard work you thought was helping you, in here, it's a trap that makes you lose. The person kicking back, relaxing on the beach, doing absolutely nothing, they're the ones who find the buried treasure. It is the ultimate paradox, and cracking this code is the very first key to the kingdom. So if working hard is a trap, then who's the real villain of this story? Is it some evil dragon on Wall Street? Nope. The final boss that we have to defeat is actually hiding inside your own head. Get ready to battle your ancient, prehistoric caveman brain. Just think about it. You're a caveman. You hear a twig snap in the dark. You don't sit there and think about it. You run. Your brain is hardwired to scream, "Do something now," at the first sign of trouble. But when your money dips just a tiny bit, that same caveman brain wakes up and yells, "Tiger in the bushes! Sell everything! Run for your life!" And that panic, my friends, that is how fortunes turn to dust. All that clicking and swiping and phone checking, it feels so productive, doesn't it? It feels like you're being a super smart manager of your money. Wrong. In this upside-down world, that activity has a secret evil name: wealth destruction. You think you're piloting a spaceship, but you're actually just lighting your own money on fire. I want you to imagine your entire savings is a big, slippery bar of soap. Now what happens if you just can't leave it alone? You keep picking it up, squeezing it, passing it from hand to hand. It gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and poof, it's gone. Every time you buy or sell in a panic, a little piece vanishes to fees, another piece to taxes, and a giant chunk disappears just because you got scared. The secret? Put the soap down and walk away. Okay, so we've identified the villain, our own jumpy caveman brain, and its favorite weapon, pointless activity. So, how do we fight back? We need a secret toolkit, a chest full of legendary power-ups. And lucky for us, these power-ups come from the grand wizard of being lazy, the master himself, Warren Buffett. This sounds like the beginning of a silly joke, right? But it's not a joke. It's the secret map to the entire treasure chest. The greatest investor of all time has way more in common with a guy slow-cooking a brisket in his backyard than any slick banker on Wall Street. And figuring out why? Well, that's the key. This is the #1 rule of barbecue. To get that perfectly juicy brisket, you put it in the smoker, set the temperature low, and you leave it alone for hours. Every single time you get nervous and lift the lid to peek, you let out all the heat and smoke, and you ruin the meat. Your money is that brisket, and every time you nervously check the price, you're lifting the lid and letting the magic heat of compound interest escape.
But it's so hard to keep the lid closed when you have a crazy person living next door, right? Well, let me introduce you to your business partner, Mr. Market. And this guy, oh, he is a total mess. He's a manic-depressive lunatic. One day, he's dancing on your lawn, screaming that your lemonade stand is worth $1 billion. The very next day, he's sobbing in the gutter, convinced the world is ending and that everything is worthless.
So, here's the crucial point. You don't listen to him. Most people let this crazy guy be their boss. If he's scared, they get scared. If he's excited, they get excited. But the lazy millionaire knows he's just a harmless nut job. You laugh, you close the door, and you ignore his screaming. Until, one day, he's having such a massive meltdown that he offers to sell you his mansion for the price of a bicycle. That is when you calmly open the door and buy. You use his craziness as your superpower. All right, here's the next legendary item in your toolkit. This one is so powerful. Just look at this number, 20. Now imagine, on the day you start investing, you're handed a magical punch card. It only has 20 slots, and every single time you invest, one slot gets punched. Once all 20 are gone, you can never invest again, for your entire life.
How would that change everything? Right now, most people invest like a machine gunner in a video game, just spraying bullets everywhere and hoping to hit something. But with only 20 shots for your whole life, you wouldn't waste a single one. You'd become a sniper. You would wait and wait and wait for that one single absolutely perfect shot. You'd be forced to be lazy. You'd be forced to be brilliant.
So if we're a patient sniper with only 20 bullets, what in the world are we waiting for? What does that perfect shot even look like? We, my friend, are waiting for the pitcher to mess up and throw us a giant, slow-motion watermelon. We are waiting for the fat pitch.
This is your ultimate cheat code. In baseball, if a good pitch comes by and you don't swing, the umpire yells strike. 3 of those and you are out. The game forces you to swing at pitches you don't really like. But in investing, there are no strikes. You can stand there for 10 years with a bat on your shoulder and absolutely nothing happens. You can let 1,000 bad pitches fly by with 0 penalty.
You just wait and wait until the world panics. When there's a crisis, when a scary headline hits the news, when everyone else is screaming fire and running for the exits, the pitcher slips, and he lobs a giant, juicy watermelon right over the plate in slow motion. That's when the best companies on earth go on a 50% off sale. That's your pitch. And you don't just tap it, you swing for the fences with everything you've got.
So, you've defeated your caveman brain, you ignored your crazy neighbor, you waited for the watermelon, and you took your perfect shot. Now what? Now comes the final, most magical part of the treasure map. This is your reward for all that incredible patience. This is where boring suddenly turns into an explosion.
Let's play a game. Would you rather have $3 million cash right now or a single magic penny that doubles its value every day for 31 days? Almost everyone takes the cash, and for a while they look like geniuses. Look at the chart. After 20 days, you've got $5 grand. They have $3 million. This part is called the Valley of Death because almost everyone quits right here. It feels like it's not working. But then the magic kicks in. Look at that last week. It doesn't just grow, it goes supernova. That is how real fortunes are built. You need proof? Just look at the Grand Wizard himself. An unbelievable 99% of Warren Buffett's entire fortune was made after he turned 50 years old. He spent decades in the Valley of Death, patiently letting his pennies double. His entire life is proof that the real explosion, the real treasure, comes at the very end of the adventure.
Think of your money like you're planting a seed for a rare Chinese bamboo tree. For the first year, you water it and you see nothing but dirt. Year 2, dirt. Year 3, still dirt. You feel like a total fool. But what you can't see is that for 4 straight years, it's building a massive, powerful root system underground. And then, in year 5, it explodes 90 feet into the air in just 6 weeks. Your job is to trust the roots are growing, even when all you see is dirt.
So here it is, your secret treasure map, your Lazy Millionaire Manifesto. Rule number 1, be a sloth, not a hyperactive monkey. Rule number 2, ignore your crazy neighbor, Mr. Market. Rule number 3, use your 20 sniper shots wisely. And rule number 4, respect the bamboo. Trust that the boring part is where the real magic is happening.
And here's the biggest secret of all. Building wealth should be boring. It should feel like watching paint dry. If you want your heart to pound and your palms to sweat, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. That's for thrills. This is for building an empire. And empire building is a calm, quiet, and very lazy business. But I can hear your brain buzzing. There's one last piece to this puzzle, isn't there? We know we have to wait for the watermelon, but how do we know what a watermelon looks like? Well, the secret isn't a crystal ball. It's about finding truly amazing businesses. Companies you actually understand, with great leaders that you know will still be awesome in 20 years. And that's the start of the next part of our treasure hunt. So as you go about your day, I want you to think about this. When you see everyone else frantically trading, clicking buttons, and panicking over the news, while you're just sitting back, patiently looking for those truly great businesses, ask yourself, who's just playing a noisy game and who is quietly building an empire?